it's a process actually, right? So it's a process flowchart. You can see identify an opportunity, establishing a vision, persuading others, because you have to anyhow build the team. You have to arrange the finances also. You have to arrange the land also if it is a manufacturing unit, or you have to arrange the office also if it is a service company or IT company. So all resources you need to gather, right? Resources could be your registration of company, or managing the people. So it could be any kind of a resource, right? And then after you are sure that okay, you have all the resources in the place, so then you can register your company. So creating a new venture, giving name to your company, in legal terms, right? Like I have given digital persistent. So this process came at the last, but maybe identifying an opportunity was the first step which I did. So I also tried this, maybe I established thought power, right? So identifying an opportunity. Okay, so a lot of people need a workshop on the entrepreneurship. So this was an opportunity, right? So what vision was there? Okay, maybe I'll start with Pune, and then slowly I'll expand to the Maharashtra, and then to all India, and then to the global level. Maybe this could be my vision, right? Down the line 5 years. I'm just correlating the things. Persuading others means, so, asking a support. Maybe I might be going to Shraddha ma'am. Shraddha ma'am, can you help me in organizing a entrepreneurship program to start with the IT? Just I'm giving example, right? Or I might be going to some other institute. So can you, or ma'am, can you support? Then gathering the resources means, maybe in my case I am just preparing these slides for you. This could be a resource, arranging a laptop, arranging an internet. Just I'm giving basic example, right? Arranging a place from where I can deliver the seminar or the workshop to you, which I am doing currently. And so if I am comfortable with all those things, then I'll give a name to my company, and then I'll keep on changing and adapting with time. Hope sounds good. So it's a process, right? So just your yes will be, give me a motivation. So at least somebody please say yes, you are comfortable, or in doubt. So please raise. Yeah. So hope this process is
Excuse
very
me, sir.
simple. Yeah.
So before starting Thought Power, you also did some kind of market research,
Ah,
right?
yes, 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 yes.
So
I
can
even,
you please sir, elaborate some part of
yeah.
it which was
Okay.
memorable for
Okay.
you?
Great. Great. That's very right. So I was in Fiat. So actually, what happened? How I was in a process of writing books actually. So one fine day, my boss was not there, right? So how it happened actually in 2011 or 12, if I'm not wrong. So I was working with Fiat. So my boss was absent due to some reason, right? So he called me, ki Pawan, there are some new trainees, they have come. Can you, deliver a workshop to them? So this might be my first exposure at such a corporate level. So I said, I am not prepared, sir, but can you share me the presentation? And it was only and only I think 45 minutes left, right? When I got a call, right? Maybe he might have tried to someone else, but they have denied. So I just gone through that, and then I delivered that workshop. It was on the company's ethics and policies and all, though, right? So then I got a good feedback from these guys, right? Means they have given. Normally there is a process where you have to fill a form in the last. So what happened? Then this boss, my boss, he said after maybe 3 months, he said there is a conference in Istanbul, actually, Istanbul, Turkey. It's in Europe actually, but influenced by it's in between Europe and Asia. So there is a bridge called Bosphorus Bridge, which connects to Asia and Europe. So they said there's a company conference. He's told me, and you have to pack your bags. So next 7 days, I packed my bags, and so I was with him, and then we've gone to Istanbul, and there were almost 12 companies, the group companies participated, and we have to present a business model over there. So, just 30 minutes before he said, Pawan, why don't you go and present? So this was again a surprise to me, and just I presented over there. So even I got a good feedback actually from my boss. So he asked me a simple question, पवन क्या आप पहले कभी abroad आए हो? मैंने कहा नहीं sir, this is the first time, right? So but you delivered very confidently. So I thought you have much exposure. So in terms of like in your previous assignments you have visited. मैंने कहा नहीं sir, this is my first time. So there I got a confidence. Then slowly what happened, because I was writing books, some friends suggested me, why don't Pawan you start on some communications, motivation. So likewise. So slowly, I requested to few people. So this and requesting means that I requested to my colleagues, say, why don't you invite to me or come to your company? And some institutes also invited me. So from there onwards, I started giving lectures, workshops free of cost. I never demanded anything, I want to say. And this became, and I was enjoying all those things. So maybe after 7, 8 years, I thought, let me put this in a official way. So in short, I collected the resources. Opportunity came to me because of some reason. Then I establishing a vision. Okay, I'll keep on giving. So it was experimentation. I was doing experiment, right? Persuading others means requesting someone give me a chance at least to deliver, because the people like me, and then it become a repetitive process. They keep on calling, Pawan, abhi ek naya session ho raha hai hamare naye employees ka ya college ka, so why don't you come, why don't you deliver? Even AIT has invited me many times, so I have gone there also last couple of years. So then came to creating a new venture. And meanwhile, I also gathered a lot of resources, I did a lot of study also. And then slowly I created a new venture, is Thought Power. Hope the process is clear. Somewhere you get an opportunity, you don't say no. If you can do it, do. So that opportunity, which I got in a company, turned my changed my view actually. And slowly I worked on that. And I thought this is one of the good area where I can guide the people, I can motivate the people, I can interact with the people. Maybe this is my hobby which I identified, or it's my profession. And my hobby, basically I converted this hobby into the profession slowly. And still it's in transition phase. So this is how it happens actually. Now I'm not saying that you should take 8 years. This is an example, because of certain other liabilities, responsibilities, family responsibilities. So there are different perspective of everything. Because I took 8 years because of some other reasons, but you might be taking only 8 months. So this is a slow process actually. I'm to say. So you should have all the resources in place. You should be confident. You should do some experiments in the market. Because tomorrow, if you go bluntly,
Exactly, sir.
yeah. So whatever you are doing, do some experiments, minor experiments, which will not hamper, financially too much to you, right? So
Exactly,
hope
sir.
the
It is
process
not
is.
always. Yes, sir. It is not always. It is not always easy to motivate others, and
Right
till the
now,
time you are motivated, you do the things. But
yeah,
when the time comes, you have to motivate others to do things
right.
for your help. But it is not
So
easy.
very right, because मुझे जैसे I am connected spiritually also with the Pandit ji in Alandi here in Pune. So he always talks to me. So there are different parameters. See, you can do wonders, you can do good. That's what he keep on motivating to me. If you join, if you work as as a motivational speaker. So there are different factors, different people who guide, support your friends, your colleagues, your corporate colleagues, your surroundings who keeps on pushing you. And then you suddenly develop, a perspective. Okay, now I can do. And that's why I'm doing with you guys.
So one last doubt.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Please. No,
Sir,
bro.
initially, when you started pitching others, like call me to give some
Ah,
communication speech, or that
right.
must be a difficult time because you are saying then that please call me to give a lecture or speech, and that time
Right.
the whole pressure was on you that you have to perform good because it
Yeah.
is the your first and last chance. It may be
हाँ,
your first
मतलब
or last chance.
बिल्कुल
So
बिल्कुल
how
वो
did
भी,
you?
वो नहीं,
Mm,
जैसे अभी क्या होता है कि देखो, एक अगर हम लॉजिकली इसको सोचेंगे, तो कोई ना कोई तो चांस दे ही देता है, राइट? अगर आप 10 लोगों के पास जाओगे तो एटलीस्ट वन विल गिव. नाउ इट्स योर क्रेडिबिलिटी, हाउ यू परफॉर्म ओवर देयर, राइट? सो कुछ लोग सोचते हैं कि जस्ट इफ आई टॉक इन देसी लैंग्वेज कि ये यार ये आ गया तो पोपट तो नहीं कर देगा, ये गड़बड़ तो नहीं कर देगा, राइट? सो पीपल आर लिटिल बिट apprehensive, right? But then you have to convince them कि नहीं नहीं, मैंने तो बोला, मैंने कहा यार मैंने तो अब्रॉड में जाके भी दिया है, मैंने तो कंपनी में मैं देता ही रहता हूँ, राइट? सो भले ही मैंने एक दिया हो कंपनी में,
yes,
लेकिन अब
yes.
थोड़ा उसको मॉडिफाई किया कि नहीं मैं कंपनी में देता ही रहता हूँ. But actually the fact was that I have given one or two. So then people, अच्छा फिएट में दिया क्या? हाँ फिएट में दिया, या टाटा में दिया, हाँ टाटा में दिया. So
Got it, sir. Got it.
So what happened over a period of time, they have also given me additional responsibility कि जितने भी हमारे डीलर्स थे ना, उनके यहाँ पे मैन पावर जो होता है ना, चाहे वो सर्विस मैनेजर हो या सेल्स मैनेजर हो, फिर मैं उनको भी ट्रेनिंग देता था. मेरा काम ही यही था कि आई कीप ऑन विजिटिंग and giving trainings to all dealership people so that they can sell our products well, especially the Jeep, because it's very costly product, and the people who representing a Jeep brand, actually they are very educated and all. Dealership के ऊपर भी even they are earning lakh rupees monthly. So such type of people I was training. तो वो फिर इधर भी ट्रेनिंग चल रही थी, जब टाइम मिलता था तो I was giving trainings to referrals also, corporates में भी दे ही रहा था. So it's a mix of all experiments I did, and then when I got a confidence, okay, and I also by virtue of all these exposures, I also assume that this is a good area where I can do good actually for the people. Right? So it's a mix of all type of feedbacks, experiments, right? So that's what I'm gathering the resources. Resources means when you're confident that you have all the resources to perform. Hope clear, Nikhil?
Yes, sir.
या सो दिस इज अ प्रोसेस एक्चुअली, है ना. किसी चीज में कई बार तो सालों लग जाते हैं एक एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप प्रोसेस को पूरा फुल करने में. कोई कोई 6 दिन में भी कर लेता है. सो इट ऑल डिपेंड्स ऑन केस टू केस, सर्विस टू सर्विस, इंडस्ट्री टू इंडस्ट्री, राइट. एंड देन उस बंदे के ऊपर क्या रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज है करेंटली, राइट. सो इट ऑल डिपेंड्स कि हाउ फास्ट ही इज गोइंग. आप अभी बैचलर्स हो, आप मैरिड नहीं हो, राइट. आई एम जस्ट गिविंग एग्जांपल. सो you have some other kind of I mean to say degree of freedom actually. हमारे पास इतनी degree of freedoms नहीं होती है. We have to calculate all the things and then we have to perform our activities. Maybe हमें जैसे हम suppose I am telling you all those things right now. अगर हमें हमारे टाइम पे कोई मिला होता है एज अ सीनियर जो इस तरह के वर्कशॉप्स ले रहा होता, सो हमारे लिए शायद इजियर हो जाता. शायद उस टाइम ये कल्चर नहीं था, या उस टाइम स्टार्टअप्स का कल्चर नहीं था, या था भी तो our alumni was not so strong or not so much experienced, right? So there are certain factors. तो आपका ecosystem कैसा है, this all depends on that.